Meg here with the KWU Tech Training team, and I'm excited to go through with you some additional features of Command. Today, I want to talk about a new feature we have right here in our buyer or listing opportunities called parties to the transaction. Yes, it's here. So what this will do is it's going to allow you, the agent, to include who you're using on this deal. Think of these as the preferred vendors that you use time and time again. Where this is going to live is right inside the opportunity details. And we're going to scroll about halfway down and we should see parties to the transaction. First of all, notice that we have spots for home warranty, escrow officer, attorney, mortgage, broker, title, insurance, and inspector. So, couple things to note, agents. Your market center can add in vendors into Command MC, which then allows you to search for that vendor and match it up to one of these fields. Let's take a look at what that looks like. First of all, we select that vendor type that we're looking to add here. Let's stick with the first option, home warranty. Once that is selected, now you can search by name for a home warranty company here. Notice by keyword, if anything vendor-wise exists already, I'll see that option here. But if it's not the one I'm looking for, I can actually create a contact here for the type of vendor I'm looking to add. And then the market center can decide to add that as a vendor that the whole market center can pull up here. And we just do the same thing for the following field. So if I know the mortgage, I can select that on the left and start typing in the keywords of that person and that company. And Command is keeping track of all the vendors we already have selected. So notice when I go to select vendor type, mortgage is no longer there, as is home warranty. I've already picked those vendors and those fields are completed. If I made a mistake or I need to remove one of the vendors I've selected, for example, Martin under the home warranty, I can click this icon here that will allow me to remove the transactional vendor from that field. Hit remove to confirm, and now that field will be blank, and I'll see the option to reselect home warranty and pick the appropriate vendor. I'm so excited for you guys to test this out for yourself. This way you have even more ways of tracking who you're working with on this deal right in Command inside the Details tab of your opportunity. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team. Learn Command at KW.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day.